Hello friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to my annual series called Crafting at the Lake House. And as you can see, the attendees at this event enjoy a breathtaking view of the Okanagan Lake in Kelowna, BC, Canada, while crafting all day long. We created 12 holiday projects this year, and I'm going to share them all with you. But first, I wanted to give a shout out to all the attendees this year because without their support, I couldn't put on an in-person event like this. I also want to thank my events team, Kathy, Maggie, and Paul. Their combined help made the event run smoothly, and I am so lucky to have such an amazing team. Now, if you would like a how-to PDF of today's card, there's a link in the description box below, and you can see all the supplies I used today listed below as well. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So how about we get started with the cards? Here we are with card number 2. We are celebrating an online exclusive stamp set and die bundle called Iconic Imagery. You're not going to find it in any publication. So I have a piece of basic white here, and I have the banner, and I have a little bit of smoky slate cardstock and the smaller banner, and I'm going to die cut those. And this basic white piece is going to be a layering piece, so you're only going to see the sliver of the outside. So I decided to cut the banner out to save paper. I didn't need an extra paper to do that the banner piece. So this is Misty Moonlight cardstock and Misty Moonlight ink, and I'm inking up the tiny little snowflake from the Iconic Imagery stamp set and die bundle. And I am going to ink up the stamp set. I'm going to stamp it off on my mat there, and then stamp on the banner, or whatever you want to call that shape. I don't know what it is. I just wanted a faded snowflake. And so I inked up the word celebrate and stamped that. So I'm going in with the secondary greeting called the season is what it is. So my greeting is going to be celebrate the season, and there's snowflakes all around. So I love it when it snows. I just don't like it when it gets kind of slurpy. The snow's been around for a while and we've had to drive through it, and it's not the best here in Canada. It can get quite gross, actually. Okay, so you can see now what I'm doing. Here's the designer series paper that has the snowflakes on top of it, and it's covering that hole. So no one's going to know. No one's going to know. So that's what I did. I'm going to place that on my card front when I get the right orientation. Sometimes it takes me a while. And now I'm going to put everything kind of together. So on that celebrate greeting tag, I guess, I put some adhesive, a dry adhesive, just on the bottom. And now I'm going to adhere the gray piece. And that was just, I didn't stamp or anything on it. And then I'm going to put the season on top of that. So right now I have the dimensionals, and it came off, so I have to adhere it again. So I'm treating it like one whole piece, even though it's two pieces. And I don't know why it won't stick. So I'm being more stubborn than the paper, and I have adhered it to the top third of the card. And then the greeting the season has dimensionals on that, and I'm going to place that over top of the gray or the smoky slate piece. So that's pretty much my card. But we're going in with the white loose snowflakes. These embellishments are pretty nifty. They feel like rubber. They're not overly hard. And if you want random looking sprinkles, you need to sprinkle it randomly. So oftentimes I'll do this and then I'll put a dot of glue where they landed, and then I'll just take your pick tool or my putty, and I will go one by one and place the snowflakes on top of the glue. And yes, there's a random constellation. So if you're looking for random, that's random. Anyway, again, if you want the PDF, you can download it. The link is going to take you to my blog page, and I will see you next week for 2 more lake house projects. So thanks so much for watching, and get yourself an iconic Imagery stamp set and die bundle. Bye for now.